If you want to make your Facebook post stand out, here's how to add stylish text in seconds. So first, you need to open the Facebook or Facebook Lite application, whatever you have installed on your device. Tap on what's on your mind in the top of the screen to start a new post. You can add any photo or video that you like and then start to type a message. In order to add a stylish text, you need to open your web browser on your phone. Search for font generator, or you can also go to the website like texttrick.com. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Lingozam. Now, enter your normal text right here. In the bottom, you'll see your text in different fonts. You can go ahead and select any one that you prefer. I like this cursive one, so I'm going to go ahead and select it. Then tap on copy. Come back, open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application and paste it over here. You can also add emojis. You can tag people if you want, add music, add your feeling or activity, add location, and then tap on post from the bottom, which is highlighted in blue color. Your post will now appear with the new cool font. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.